Hello, my name is Darwis Ibrahim. I'm from class DEC 2A, and this is my product review on my speaking test assignment. During this hot weather, it's hard to keep yourself cool indoors, and it's very uncomfortable to sleep at night. A lot of people have this problem and they have no solution to it because they want to buy a fan, but most fans are big and it's very expensive, it's very inconvenient, and it's very hard to keep it well maintained. It takes too much. Okay, sudah ni dah, dia cakap dah. Okay. But I have a perfect table fan that can solve this problem. This is the PENSONIC table fan. What's good about this fan? It makes us feel comfortable and well kept in this hot weather. I'm going to review this product as I've been using this for the past months. I've been staying in college and it has helped me a lot during the hot weathers, and when I got sick, I need some cold ventilation to my body, and I'm going to list all the pros and cons and why I would recommend this product to people. The PENSONIC table fan is a lightweight portable table fan that provides coolness in the hot weather. This product is very easy to use and it's very eco-friendly. But this Panasonic is not a Malaysian brand, as it's not local, and it's a brand from another country. It comes in a grey color with a wire attached, and it has a 3-blade fan, 3 fan speeds, and it's easy to it comes with an easy to operate switch control. When did it come out on the market? It was released on May 17th of 2024, so it's a very recent new model that came out of the store. Why did I buy it? I bought it because it's cheap, easy to use, portable, and easy to spot at your local electronic shop. Where can you buy it? You can buy it on the official PENSONIC store website, either online or the physical store, and it costed me 63 ringgit. I'm going to list out the pros and cons. So first, the pros are it's very lightweight. It weighs no more than 3 kilograms, and it's very easy to move around, to carry around from home to college to home, and any other spaces that's necessary for a fan. It can be carried around anywhere, and it does not take so much space because of its size. It's very easy to assemble when you first buy it. You just take it out of the box, and there's a manual for steps to assemble it, and it has very few pieces to assemble and can be assembled at any time and anywhere. For price wise, compared to other products, it's very affordable, especially for a struggling college student. And for the cons, the bad qualities, its authenticity. It's a bit difficult to find the original model and from the original brand. Second, it has very short wires, so the plug-in wire is not that convenient as it's not that long. So you can't really like move it around that much with the plug plugged in. And it's for less. It's not available to be bought from online platforms such as Shopee and Lazada. So to compare it with other brands, I'm going to compare it with the Toshiba table fan. Toshiba has better options for colors rather than just plain gray like the PENSONIC. The material used are better and it lasts longer, and it's also more easy to maintain. For rating, I'll give it 4 out of 5 stars. For I've been using it for months already, and it has no problems for me whatsoever. Do I recommend it? Yes, I highly recommend this product to anyone who needs a cheap, portable, and easy to use table fan. But there's also a lot of brands that are far more better than this. So in conclusion, for anyone who wants a cheap portable table fan, PENSONIC is for you because its price is very negotiable. It's not too expensive, and it's very easy to maintain, to clean it. And I figure a lot of other people also use this product, and not just me, because I've seen a lot of other people in their dorms who has this